Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and this is Tony's Coffee Songbird Blend. So the Songbird Blend is a blend of dark roast and light roast. Now, in an all dark roast, you'd have a very strong coffee bite flavor to your coffee. But because it's blended with a light roast also, it's kind of evened out. It's smooth. It's not an overwhelming, overpowering flavor to it. The package says milk chocolate undertones, and I agree with that. It's a very nice flavor, very smooth, very pleasant. My wife and I really like it. And also the company itself, Tony's, is based out of the Pacific Northwest, and they produce organic coffee, and it's all fair trade, which my wife and I really appreciate. So this is a great coffee. It tastes fantastic, and that's my point of view.